Today we are going to study about body fluids osmoles. Rather than study, we are going to clear this statement that what do we mean by body fluids osmoles? What is that is 300 milliosmol per liter? For example, now taking example of a party where actually this is a party where hosts are more in number than the person invited. For example, it is a party hall and there are many hosts. H. Alright, now for example, couples are invited. So couple 1, couple 2 and couple 3. Now when they enter the party hall, they may split into two, that is one husband. C1 may split into husband and wife, and C2 may split at, or sorry, C2 might not split and roam around party hall. Means they go together. So there would be only one couple, means one perceivable couple. Now here we notice that there are two persons going around here, and in C2 option we see that one. Now here the osmolarity comes into play. Now the osmolarity defines that how many number of particles are actively going on interacting here around. So when taking example of NaCl, when it comes into solution, after solvation leads to split and Na plus Cl. So like this, there are many electrolytes which can split, that like C1, and do not split like C2. So here the osmotic milliosmol will be, if 1 moles were given, then there would be 2 osmoles in splitting, and in non-splitting we have only 1 moles per liter, milliosmol per liter. Alright, and not the couples where they did not split, 1 mole per liter would obviously be equal into 1 osmol per liter. So there were differences in 1 mole per liter into osmolarity. So this was to clear the idea, and now with the help of this we can explain now 300 osmol. Now if we have 300 milliosmol, that means there are such numbers of particles inside the party, or we can say a solution, or in body we say that intracellular fluid, extracellular fluid, they all maintain this concentration, that this particle interaction. So this is actually the measure of those particles which are interacting in the system. Interaction, that is the keyword here, is the interaction, which create the osmotic pressure, and which we will see in next video in a semi-permeable membrane, how the particles react where the solvent is allowed to move. So in nutshell we can say that the 3 millihundred osmoles of such and such, they may be ions, they may be, or means in broader sense we can take them electrolytes, they may be glucose, urea, ADP, ATP, for n number of particles. So there are this much concentration in the ICF or ECF, which maintains the osmolarity of the blood. And thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.